Hello everyone, my name is LazyBoat18 and today we are back playing Angry Bird. We are playing Poached Eggs -2. I think that's how it is. I think that's the name. -2. It's not, it just starts by 1 to 21. It doesn't continue 22 to 23 or whatever. Let's just get right into it. So, okay, so there's a kick and look at that. I have like a power up. That's because I went into the tutorial and I just activated because it was free on the tutorial, and yeah, for 5 minutes I get to use it on any level. I am definitely gonna use that. And we got the gift, and there's not much interesting things. Like sometimes there's just interesting things to talk about, sometimes there isn't. Like that's not like that interesting, but getting 2 stars is decently interesting. Okay, so this level, oh my gosh, this level, there was a golden egg hidden in this level. You wanna know where it is? Oh wait, oh, not yet. Is this it? Nope, I wasn't. No, not yet. I think this is it. Look at it. Look, pay attention. Look, the golden egg. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting a golden egg. I was like, wait, what? I didn't even see it. But if you want to know where it is, it was in the beach ball. Yeah, it was very hidden. Honestly, sometimes I don't even know like what to say because like there's nothing interesting here. Well, kind of. There is something I want to say about this level. It was so hard because those boulders was just so frustrating. Like they would just not move, and like they would stop inches away from the pit. It's unbelievable. And oh yeah, this was the first level, I think, or you can use the blackboard or bomb. And honestly, it was very easy, and because I played Angry Birds my entire life. And oh yeah, so the 5 minutes was up and I can't use the power up again, but I did use it when I was about to play the final level. So yeah, I think there's a time limit. I don't know, but I meant the time limit on when you can use it again. I don't know. I can't remember. honestly, I think from now on, if I don't have anything interesting to say, I'm just gonna be quiet. Well, if I'm doing these type of videos where I played it and then I do my commentary on the ending part. I forgot what the name of that is, but yeah. Whoa, look, I got a gift. It says awesome, and yeah, though I got nothing. When I was playing, I'm like, oh wow, I got a gift. I'm gonna try to get it, and then it's empty. Yeah, it was really disappointing. Alright, we have Matilda here, and when I was playing this, I was like, oh wow, Matilda is so helpful. I think Matilda is my favorite board, and then soon it just get very frustrating like this. I use one egg, and then I use another egg. Okay, you see, okay, on the second egg, I got like 2 pigs, and I keep playing that over and over, and I only got 1 pig, like pop, and that was so frustrating. This level wasn't as bad, really, because it wasn't that difficult. Do that, and then you stop to hit the TNT, and then boom, that's it. But this next one, this one is, oh my gosh, this one is so hard. I just like couldn't get, like, it's just so hard. Really, because you get 3 board, and it's just, you have to make sure the egg, I said that very weird. The egg, okay, you have to make the egg hit a specific place, and it's just, that is so hard. And this one was also pretty difficult, but wasn't as bad as the last one. So yeah, I think that was the last Matilda level that was very hard. I think maybe there was one more, but I cannot remember. So yeah, let's just see. Oh yeah, when I did this level, like, look at that, I was so close. I got lucky in that one. And oh, this is the second to final one. Okay, so here I got the power up from the tutorial, and then yeah, it was pretty easy because I lost so many. Well, this one wasn't as bad. I think it took me like 5 attempts, and then I'm like, okay, you know what? I want to try to get that power up back, because it was really hard getting Chuck to hit a specific hole. So yeah, I think this level was pretty easy. Which is that, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna win, but you just wait. Do that. 4-man pig or mustache pig is defeated, and then boom! Yes, that is Poached egg -2. So yeah, let's see the cutscene. I said let's see the cutscene. Okay, I think I was expecting me to talk a little bit more, but yeah, we defeated that, and then the next episode is Poached egg -3 with 21 new levels. Well, not new, but like new to me, I guess. Okay, you know what? See you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye.